Welcome back to Cosmeholics Anonymous. I am your favorite new mama, Bougie Vintage, and today's video is another makeup tutorial. This time we are going to Barbados or whatever, so we're gonna work with blues and yellows and black. Because of the type of makeup I want to do on my eyes, I actually have to do my face first because I will be bringing down my eye makeup onto my nose, so it's best if I have my highlight and contour and stuff done. I'm doing this one more like a real makeup tutorial where I'm gonna have a full face instead of just doing the eye makeup and the lips and a little bit of concealer, just because I want it to all tie together. But typically for crop over or mass or whatever you're doing this year for carnival season, wherever you are in the world, you don't want to wear a face full of makeup. It's too fucking hot outside for the nonsense. Like, it's too hot. So we're gonna just put on a little bit of makeup and slay bitch. Okay? I've already primed my face with my Smashbox primer water. For foundation, I'll be taking my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. This foundation doesn't match me properly, but it is what it is. I have a little bit of breakout on my face. Don't know why. I noticed them yesterday.
I done had some things on the set. Now I know it's wrong, but it's right. Shorty like Zans, that's alright. I'm not here to lecture you tonight. I don't wanna leave it alone. It's about time, let it go.
I will then be taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45.
If you're up to it, baby, I can change your look. 'Cause if you're into it, baby, I can change your look. I'm so impressed by you. Baby, I'm impressed by you. All of your flaws, babe, they don't determine you're a work of art. All of your flaws, babe, they make you sexy. I don't wanna let go. I'm so impressed by you. I'm so impressed by you. I can tell your time. Yes, you really don't know what you're looking like. I came here to get lit. You know what you came with, yeah. Everything you do is inspiring. Why you let them dim your light, yeah. I ain't tryna hear none of that shit tonight. Forget about your ex and let me show you why. 'Cause if you're up to it, baby, I can change your look. 'Cause if you're into it, baby, I can change your look. I'm so impressed by you. Baby, I'm impressed by you. All of your flaws, babe, they don't determine you're a work of art. All of your flaws, babe, they make you sexy. I don't wanna let go. I'm so impressed by you.
I will be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Cocoa to contour.
You're a work of art. All of your flaws, babe, they make you sexy. I don't wanna let go. I'm so impressed by you. I'm so impressed by you.
They be thinking this shit come easy. Yeah. Baby, I'm here to see if you're really down for me. It's been hard up in these streets. I've been blocking out my enemies, yeah. Are you really down for me? Or do you just want the cream? If you wanna play on...
To set my face, I'll be taking my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Original.
I got more where you can hold that. They know I come through with that gold pack. Get it so fast they think I stole that. Tonight we gonna get it poppin', please don't hold back. All your secrets I can hold that. And you won't never have to worry about the blowback. But are you really down for me?
MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep for your contour. Do you guys ever like remember who made you buy what? Like, I remember when I used to watch tutorials I only really subscribe to like 2 people, honey, but when I used to watch tutorials, like Sandra Deluxe always used to use her MAC Mineral Light Skin Finish in Dark Deep, and I was like, I need that in my life, and that's how I ended up buying that. And then like with Candy Yum Yum, that was all time the infamous. Isn't that so weird? Like I just remember that those are the people that put me on to these products. I bet I'm in you guys' library. I hope I'm in your library. I hope I made you go out and buy stuff. Like, you know what I mean? I hope I was able to like influence you enough to do that. Otherwise, I'm failing at my job. A bitch had to open the thing up because I'm hotter than hell right now. Finally, I'm excited to do my eyes. Hopefully it doesn't get messed up because this is just a look I have in my head. This is what I'm envisioning, so I'm hoping I can pull it off. To start the look, you're gonna want to grab your paint pot.
I ain't slipping again. Whole team we winning. Yeah.
For someone who understands, I've been looking for someone to be. Should've been patient with me. Should've been patient with me. Should've been patient. Riding through the city, running through the door, flying on your cars.
To start, I'm going to take Chrome Yellow by MAC.
Never one for patience, not the one forgive, never one for patience. I've been looking for someone who understands. I've been looking for someone to be. Should've been patient with me. Should've been patient with me.
I'm then going to dip into my Flash palette. And of course, I'm going to take this blue shade.
You could have been patient with me. I know I've been grinding. I know I've been working. You should have been patient with me. Now I got the ones in the club. Back with my next. You missing out, shawty. You should have been here.
Taking Atlantic Blue by MAC, I'm going to set that. Taking my Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. And this is just a base for the next step, which is going to be extremely tedious. But you want to cover your eyelid.
I've been looking for someone to be. Should've been patient with me. Should've been patient with me. Should've been patient.
We're gonna have lots of fun with this look in a minute. I just gotta get Salem and see if she's hungry. Alright, we have Miss Salem here. So shit just got a little bit more difficult. I'm just gonna dust away my translucent powder. If I didn't dust away my face properly, we're just gonna blame Salem, okay? Because I can't tell properly. I can't tell in the viewfinder. if I'm doing my job right. But by the end of the tutorial, it'll be fixed, so it's whatever. Okay, and so now it's time to do the most tedious part of this whole look. Because I want a seamless blend between the blue and the yellow, I am gonna throw a third color in there that's not necessarily the Barbados colors, but that's not a big deal. I'm gonna take my MAC pigment in high def cyan. Cyan, I've never known how to pronounce that. Cyan blue. Cyan sounds good, I guess. And we're just gonna add this as the transition shade. Now for the tedious part. Gems. Lots and lots of gems. So to stick my gems on, I will be using my duo adhesive. This is the brush on adhesive and it dries clear. I might have to come back to finish the look because Salem is doing the most. Let's have a toast right now. Oh my god, Salem just hit me and I got glue where I wasn't supposed to get glue. And so the other thing you can do is just lay glue all over the lid and then stick the gems down. But I don't want to do that because I might work too slow. But you can always dab the glue onto the spot. Now, girl, if you are going to crop over or wherever, you're going to have to be up at all like 2 o'clock in the morning sticking these gems on. We're going to get our inner corner gem stuck on now. Remember when you're sticking them down, not to stick them too close to the lash line because you still have to put your lashes on. After doing this, I feel like I need to redo my Jamaican video. I feel like I didn't give Jamaica enough pizzazz, honey. Jamaica deserved better than what I gave them. I'm gonna take my Belladonna lashes, the same ones I wore in the Jamaican tutorial. I'm going to line my waterline with black. And then I'm going to take that high def cyan MAC pigment again and I'm going to run it on the waterline, or sorry, on the lower lash line. You want to throw on some mascara just to make your lashes a little lighter. I'm on the wave, yeah, I'm on the wave, can't nobody tell me none. Cause I got the juice, plus I got the molly, I came to party. Jump out the whip, y'all, I run to me. She sneak my drugs in the club for me. I just be drinking the parking lot, then I walk past security comfortably. Please don't feel me. For blush, I'm gonna go ahead with my Bobbi Brown blush in Brown Berry. If I was smart, I would have put on my blush before I put on the gems, but it's totally fine. Because we are doing Barbados, obviously I'm gonna have to pull out my Fenty highlighter, and this is one I don't normally use. Bam! That is Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty. Because I have the yellow going on, I figured this would be an appropriate highlighter because there's so much glitter in it that it's perfect for carnival. Usually carnival people are just covered and doused in glitter for no apparent reason. And so I don't want to use actual glitter, so I'm just gonna go ahead with this highlighter to add some highlight to my face. And this side I got way more. And it's totally fine if your highlighter is looking like it's on thick, but only for crop over. If it's a regular day, bitch, please do not pack your highlighter on like this. It's unacceptable. Highlight that Cupid's bow. And you can even go up here with it and right here. And I'm still going to try to dye that down a little bit just because it's a little intense for me. For lipstick, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipstick. And this shade is called Who's Zoomin' Who. You guys know that song? I'm not 100% sure this is the lip I want to do. I would actually just do this with a nude lip, but I mean, it's carnival. It's all about fun and bright colors. So you could totally do a blue top lip and like a yellow bottom lip. See how that looks. Let's test that out, okay? So you could do a look like this. I think I'm not gonna do this, but for setting spray, I'll be using my Too Faced 3-in-1 Hangover spray. With a little bit of attitude. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to do Trinidad. I've seen requests for now Grenada, Guyana, and Cuba. And my great grandmother is actually from Cuba, so Cuba is definitely dear to my heart. I'll probably do Cuba. I'll probably end up doing all the damn islands or whatever. But the next one is definitely Trinidad. So I'm just gonna zoom in now and let y'all see what it is up close. Rihanna, if you need your makeup done for crop over, just holla at your girl, okay? But yes, this is the look. I'm totally obsessed. I don't even want to wipe it off. Like, anyway, you guys, I love you all, and I will definitely see you in the next one.